Hey, good afternoon or good evening. My name is Chuck Hansen, and I've got a special presentation that I'd like to show you. I was asked to put this together for those people on Marshall Silver's team that are extremely busy, just like most of us. Um, I've worked on something that I'm going to call the Blue Diamond business plan, and I want to show you, all the components of that because it really does lay out a very clear path to get to a huge monthly residual income, which I know that's something all of you are interested in doing. However, you just don't have the time. I get it. Um, I've been around the network marketing industry now for over 30 years full time. I built organizations of over 400,000 people in 39 countries. I've traveled millions and millions and millions of miles doing presentations and studying network marketing. I had no intention whatsoever of building Valentis until I tried the Slim Roast Optimum coffee. I lost 9 pounds the first week, 18 pounds the first month. I'm now down 40 pounds, 215 to 175, and the fat has just melted off my body. So, I'm excited about not only the product, but where we're at timing wise for the company. You see, I've been here before. I've been with 3 other companies that have hit this momentum growth, this vertical growth, and each and every time I made millions and millions of dollars. Why? Because I was at the right place at the right time. So what I'm going to do is take you through something. It's the Blue Diamond business plan. And what I'm going to show you is a way for you to get to Blue Diamond in 7 months. Maybe it'll take you a year, but this is calculated at 7 months. If everything was done perfectly, and I know all of you guys can do everything perfectly. It's A, B, and C. Pretty simple. You buy a business builder pack. It's $575 plus shipping and tax and handling. So it's $600, right? Thereabouts. You get 350 of the Slim Roast Optimum coffee packages. And then you create a 150 BV loyalty purchase. You do that on a loyalty purchase. You just know that for the next 12 months, you're going to spend $239.95 for the next 12 months. Just that is a cost of doing business, right? And then you're going to find 3 others first month to do exactly the same thing. And the key is to finding 3 others that will do exactly the same thing. Buy that business builder pack, make a commitment to you to set up their loyalty purchase for $239.95. I'm going to be available to help anybody through this that wants to do it. So, and then duplicate that, right? So I'm going to show you how it is. I mean, each and every person is looking for 3 business builders, and that's it. I don't want you to spend your life looking for people to recruit. I want you to find 3 good people that will do this plan just as I've outlined. Why Blue Diamond? Why? It's pretty obvious why Blue Diamond, and that is to get to $33,330 average monthly income up to a high of $75,000. Average monthly income. Now this chart is put out by Valentis, so they know exactly what people that hit that rank make, and they know they're telling you right there what it takes in order to hit that rank. So I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can do that in 7 months or less. The big component here is the legacy bonus. The legacy bonus is a very powerful component of the Valentis compensation plan, and that's how it really looks. You got these first 3 people. You earn a $100 bonus to infinity on the first 3 people of the 4th, 5th, sixth, seventh, eighth person, however many people you sponsor. After the third, you earn a $100 infinity bonus on the first three of the first three of the first three of the first three of the first three, unlimited levels. And it's a very, very critical part of this whole thing. So here's what it looks like. Guys, I mean, you got a left team, you got a right team. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, the order, whether you put the people on the left team or the right team, you and I can discuss that, and I can give you a strategy after I look at your genealogy. Here's what happens. You know, you put two people. These are two people that buy a business builder pack. You're going to put them on one leg. You're going to find your third one and put them on the other leg. So you got two over here, one over here. This could be switched. It could be opposite. You could put two on the right leg and one on the left leg. Again, based on your genealogy, and you and I can figure that out. The first month, you're a Ruby. You've done a whole $20 in commissions, but there's a $300 legacy bonus that's paid, okay? $320 is not much money. I understand that, but I'll show you how it builds with exponential growth. The second month, all we're going to do is duplicate what we did the first month, and we're going to help those people that you sponsored, those three people, go out and duplicate just what you did. They're going to go out and find their three. So you've got 6 people now on your left team in this example, and 3 people on your right team. And now you've got 2 people on your left team that have purchased their 150, forget that up there, 150 BV, $239.95 loyalty purchase. And you've done 900 in volume on your left leg and 450 in volume on your right leg. So you've cycled 4 times, right? 4 times. And then what's going to happen is you've got $900 in legacy bonus that it paid out. So those 6, and go find their 3. Again, just finding 3 people. Not 10, just 3. 3 turn into 18. Those 2 now turn into 8 that are ordering their 150 BV. And the 3 on your right leg turn into 9, right? They go get their 3. So again, you've got 3,000 in volume on one leg, 1,500 volume in another leg, but 2,700 in legacy bonuses that are paid. I think you're starting to get the idea here of what happens with exponential growth, right? Those 18 go find their 3, just 3, that turns into 54. Those 8 now turn into 24, right? 18 and 8 turn into 24 that have purchased their loyalty purchase that month. So now you've got 9,000 in volume on one side, 4,650 in volume on the other. You got 45 cycles, right? You made a whole $900, but you got $8,100 coming in legacy bonuses. Those 54 go and find their 3. 162. You see how the numbers are starting to crank up? Now you've got 29,700 in volume on the left and 14,100 volume on the right. You've got now almost $3,000 in dual team bonuses, but you got $24,300 in legacy bonuses that are going to be paid. 6 months, those 162 go find their 3. Not 10, just 3, right? And the 81 go find their 3. So, you've got now 86,400 in volume on your left, 42,450 on your right, and you've got a dual team check of $8,640 and a legacy check of $72,900. It happens on the 7th month. 1,458 people. Those 486 go get their 3, right? You've got 738 people now buying $150, 150 BV legacy I mean, not their legacy, their loyalty purchase, right? You got 738. You got 243 on your right leg that go get their 3. And it's all based on doing it very quickly and easily, just getting 3, finding 3 friends, right, that believe and trust in you, that will spend $600 and $239 a month. And here's what happens. You've now built a monthly residual check of $25,640, but you pulled off $218,700 in legacy bonus. And look at what has happened to your team, right? 3, 9, 27, right? 81, you hit Emerald. 243, the 5th month, you hit Diamond. 729, 6th month, you hit Triple Diamond. And then in the 7th month, you hit Blue Diamond, right? 2,187 people that month. So you hit, you've got the volume to hit Blue Diamond. So, here's kind of a recap, right? Everyone must find 3 people that buy a business builder package. You're not looking for anybody that wants to try a sample, buy 1 container, 1 canister. You want 3 people that trust you enough, that recognize that this is an opportunity for them to get in on the ground floor of something that is going to grow like crazy over the next 3 to 5 years. Second thing is that you've now built a team of 3,279 people through 7 levels of people. And all you've done is sponsor 3. All anybody else has done is sponsor 3. And if somebody says, I can't do it, I can't sponsor 3 people, move on. You don't need that person. Go find somebody that says, absolutely, I can positively get 3 people. In fact, I can get them tonight, or I can get them tomorrow, or I can get them in the next 3 days, or whatever. So those are the people that you want. Everyone must establish a 150 BV loyalty purchase for 12 months. They got to commit, right? They've got to commit to staying in the game long enough for the game to work. And the game is over a 12-month period of time. You're going to earn $38,610 in commissions. If everything happened perfectly, just like I outlined it, you're going to earn $327,900 in legacy bonuses. So, hey, you got over 360 grand, right? 360 grand that you can earn over the course of the next 7 months by just going and finding 3. Now the question is, who's going to do it? Everybody's busy, but if you want to take advantage of Valentis and where they're at 5 million in monthly volume, going to 10 million, going to 20 million, then you need to pay attention to this. Get back on the phone with me. My phone number is area code 910-279-7193. Again, it's 910-279-7193. I'm on the East Coast. I'm available to anybody, anytime. Text me. Is really the best way. Text me, and then I will call you back immediately because I'm usually on the phone. So just text me. I'll call you back immediately. I can answer all your questions. And it doesn't matter if you've already started. We're just going to clean the slate, right? We're going to clean the slate, and we're going to start brand new and fresh running this play for the next 7 months. So by January, come the rush of the weight loss industry and the weight loss business come January, you're going to be Blue Diamond. You're going to have a team of over 3,000 people and growing exponentially. And you're going to be in the running for some incredible incomes that are going to be built over 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, over the next 3 to 5 years. So, hey, with that, thanks for listening to this. I hope you got it, and please get back to me. Let's start your plan. Let's put your plan into action. Okay, thanks a lot.